questions about anything?
No, I think we're all set.
You're pretty, yeah, you know.
Yeah.
You've been through this enough, right? Set you up just a little bit more here, okay, so don't hop out of the chair. Okay. Maybe she'll take a nap when she gets home.
I'm sure she will.
Yeah, let's kind of prop her up some pillows.
We got it all set up.
Who woke me up?
I woke you up. Just said your name. How are you feeling, okay? Stomach's feeling alright?
I feel perfect.
Okay. So it's hurting? Okay.
What would Riley think if he saw you like this? What would he think?
I don't know. It's the bottom.
Should have. You can see this later.
Are you focusing better? Yeah. Okay. May have a little double vision here. I've got two hands or what's your eyes? Yeah.
Is there two of me?
I'll go get the wheelchair.
Thanks.
What are you doing with your arms? Is there two of your arms? Do you have 4 arms?
No.